thunder across the valley at the Elmira Corning Regional Airport for the 18th annual Wings of Eagles Air Show. For the second year in the Southern Tier, the National Warplane Museum played host to the event, attracting thousands of airshow enthusiasts. And a very special attraction greeted crowds in 1998, the museum's new $5.2 million facility. This impressive structure officially opened in July and houses a gallery, library, and display hangar, all to help preserve our nation's aviation heritage. That purpose, the museum's mission, was spotlighted for 3 days in August as history came alive at this year's air show. The propeller-driven aircraft of World War II provided the smoke. Today's frontline fighters provided the roar. And when the heavy bombers taxied by, you could literally feel the excitement in the air. And we'd fly in the air, in the P-40 Warhawk and the Corsair, recalling flights of World War II. We'd discover the contributions of the O-2 and the A-26 Invader during the Vietnam War. We'd examine the latest fighting technology with the warriors of today, the pilots of the F-15 Eagle and the F-18 Hornet. And we'd meet living legends. Former Apollo astronaut Frank Borman gave us a personalized tour of his award-winning P-63 King Cobra. Hazy summer skies presented a challenge. Limited visibility forced an abbreviated show by the U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds. But as we'd see behind the scenes, despite the weather, the pride and professionalism of the pilots and the crew shone through. This year's Wings of Eagles Air Show finished with a first-time ever formation flight as two eras of aircraft shared the skies. And the pilots we met shared a common purpose, to remember the past and to keep them flying. Their dedication and spirit echoed the thunder across the valley.